Imagine editing a PDF, converting it to Word, merging files and compressing documents, all in one place and completely free. Sounds great, right? Well, today we're testing a tool called JOPDF. JOPDF helps you tackle all your PDF tasks with ease. Edit, convert, compress, merge, split, create, annotate, organize and protect your PDF files without hassle. You can download it for free on Windows, Mac or Linux. JOPDF is 100% free. No hidden charges, no trial restrictions and no subscriptions. Every feature is unlocked for all users, making PDF editing simple and stress-free. Whether you use Windows, Mac OS or Linux, JOPDF runs smoothly on all major desktop platforms. Enjoy the same powerful features and seamless performance, no matter your system. JOPDF is a clean, safe, and virus-free PDF editing tool. With no bundled software or hidden risk, you can trust it to deliver a secure and reliable PDF editing experience every time. The link to the website is available in the description below. Just go ahead and download it for free. After the installation is finished, you will see the main interface of JOPDF. From here, you can easily open an existing PDF file or create a new PDF document. On the home screen, you will find several useful tools. Some of the popular tools include: first, Edit PDF, which allows you to edit text, images, and links inside your PDF file. Next is Batch Process, which lets you convert PDF files into formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, and more. Then we have Compress PDF, which helps reduce the file size of your PDF without losing quality. Another option is Create PDF, which allows you to create a blank PDF page instantly. You also have Print PDF, which lets you print your PDF documents quickly and easily. Then there is Organize PDF, where you can sort, add, or delete pages from your PDF file. And finally, Encrypt PDF, which protects your document from unauthorized access by adding security. Now let's try the Edit PDF feature. Simply click on it and upload the file that you want to edit. As you can see, the file has been uploaded successfully and now you can edit it completely for free. PDF file is now open and you can easily view the document. From the top menu, you can change the view options such as actual size or fit to page depending on how you want to display the document. You can also adjust the view settings, rotate the file if needed, and even switch to full screen mode for better visibility. Now let's move on to the editing section. From here, you can edit the entire document. Simply select the page where you want to make changes. For example, you can add new text, just like I added here. If you don't want a specific text in the document, you can select it and delete it easily, just like I did with this text. You can also remove images from the document and add new images whenever you want. In addition to that, you can insert links into the document or delete any links that were previously added. Another useful feature is adding a watermark to your PDF file. You can also insert a signature into the document if you need to sign it digitally. And if your file size is too large, you can use the compress option to reduce its size. As you can see here, I selected a paragraph, and now you can access several text formatting settings. You can change the font style, adjust the text size, and make the text bold, italic, or underlined. You can also change the text color and align the text according to your needs. From this section, you can also convert the PDF file into different formats, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image files. You can also convert Office files to PDF, images to PDF, or use the batch process feature for converting multiple files at once. Another helpful feature is annotation, which is especially useful for teaching or reviewing documents. You can highlight text using different colors, underline important parts, or add notes. As you can see here, I use this color to highlight and underline the text. You can also add stamps to your document, just like I demonstrated here. Moving on to the page settings, you have options to insert a new page, split pages, merge pages, crop pages, change the page size, or even reverse the order of the pages. Finally, you can also protect your PDF file with a password. Here, you can set a password as well as a permission password. You can also control printing permissions and other editing permissions. Once you have set everything, simply click on Apply. And as you can see, your document is now encrypted. If I try to enable editing, the software will ask for the password. After entering the correct password, editing will be enabled again. So this is a very useful feature that allows you to protect your important documents easily. Alright, so that was a complete tutorial on how you can download, install and use JOPDF to edit and manage your PDF files. As you saw in this video, the software provides several useful tools like editing text and images, converting files into different formats, compressing PDFs, organizing pages, and even protecting your documents with a password. It's a simple and convenient tool that can help you handle many PDF tasks quickly and easily on your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.